Hello, traders! In this video, you'll see how well Position Size Calculator goes through the change of timeframes, trading symbol, templates, and profile. First, let's switch through timeframes. As you see, the PSC panel stays intact. Now let's try switching the currency pair to the Swissy. And now let's try switching to the chart of gold. The panel transfers perfectly. Let's save a template with the indicator. Now let's load it on a new chart. The calculator is now attached with the same input parameters as it was saved into a template before. Now let's save a profile with two charts. Switch to one of the basic profiles. And now switch back to the saved one. As you see, everything is back to where we left it. Thank you for watching. See you later.